Hello, my name's Jacob, and on behalf of encoord, welcome to the Saint 101 video series. In this series, we will cover the Saint philosophy or mindset, and this will give us the foundation to do modeling across many domains within Saint. This series will be 4 videos. In the first video, we're going to cover some user resources. In the second video, we're going to establish what is a Saint network. In the third video, we're going to cover what a Saint scenario is. In the fourth video, we're going to bring it all together and show you a basic workflow in Saint. These videos will build off one another, so it's highly recommended that you watch them in order. First off, what is Saint? Saint is the scenario analysis interface, and it covers many modeling domains. In the optimization space, Saint currently covers capacity expansion modeling and production cost modeling. In the physical network simulation space, Saint allows you to do balanced AC power flow simulation and unbalanced AC power flow simulation. Additionally, Saint can do steady state and dynamic hydraulic gas simulations. Finally, Saint can do thermal modeling with steady state thermal hydraulic simulations. These are the modeling domains of Saint. How do people typically use Saint? Saint is an intuitive graphical user interface with geographic map integration. It also offers a flexible application programming interface or API, which is very helpful for automation and integrating Saint into your existing planning or modeling processes. Finally, Saint also includes import functionality for many industry standard dataset formats. Additionally, Saint is integrated with many high-resolution weather data sources. On my screen here, you can see Saint's graphical user interface. Whenever you have questions when using Saint, it's really helpful to look at the documentation. The documentation is accessible via the Saint graphical user interface via the Help tab. However, I personally like to use the online version of the documentation. Saint's documentation is publicly available at docs.encoord.com. You do not need a Saint user account. This documentation is fully publicly accessible. Let's look at it right now. To access Saint's documentation, simply open a web browser and navigate to docs.encoord.com. And here you can see Saint's documentation. The Saint user forum, on the other hand, is an open space where Saint users can connect with one another. You can also download the latest Saint releases, and you can download model-ready datasets. To get to the Saint user forum, open a web browser and navigate to forum.encoord.com. From the forum, you can browse the ongoing discussions or start your own. If you want to download a model-ready dataset, you need a user account. To sign up, you can click the sign up button and fill out the associated sign up form. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you are logged in, you will no longer see the login and sign up button, but instead you will see your account information in the top right-hand corner. We now arrive at the first exercise. Given that you are attending a training on how to use Saint, which you are, the ask is download the latest version of the ENET39 dataset. Please pause the video and complete this exercise. To complete this exercise, I will log in to the Saint user forum as I have just showed you, and I will navigate to the Model Ready Datasets category. The question asked me to download the latest version of the ENET39 dataset. So I'm going to look on the side here and find the latest version of the ENET39, which as of recording this video is v24.9.20. Once I get to this page, I can see the documentation of this dataset, and I can download the zip file containing the model-ready dataset. I click here to download. The outcome that you want is the enet39 folder, which will have the enet39 in the import files folder. In future videos, we're going to talk a lot more about what these folders contain. Thank you for watching the first video in the Saint 101 video series. In the second video, we're going to cover Saint Network.